We're on week 2. Today is January 11th or January 12th, depending on which day you have this class. Make sure that you take the attendance for today. The first goal is students will solve equations that have distributive property using inverse operations. This video will be posted right here. We're going to take a look at this assignment. I also have Desmos Scientific Calculator here plus the video. And so the first thing that we're going to look at is we're going to do the first 3 problems of your assignment together. And so here's how I would do this problem. So I've got 2 parentheses x plus 5 equals 16. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 times x and I'd get 2x. And then I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to multiply it by the 5, and I would get positive 10. And because it's a positive 10, I put a plus sign between the 2x and the 10. It's still equal to 16. Now I'm going to start to solve this. I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides. And what happens is the 2x will drop down. The 10s will cancel each other out. Equal sign drops down. 16 minus 10 is 6. And then I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. The 2's will cancel. X is now equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. You can use Desmos calculator. I encourage you to do so. I would just type in the number 3 there. Again, the same type of thing on the second question. It says 2 parentheses 3x minus 5 equals 14. And so this time I would start the same way. I'd do 2 times 3x, which gives me 6x. And then 2 times negative 5, which gives me negative 10. And the 14 just drops down. Now I've got minus 10, so to get rid of that, I would do plus 10 on both sides of the equal sign. And so the 6x is going to drop down. The 10s are going to cancel. 14 plus 10 is 24. And then I would divide both sides by 6. You're going to find that the 6's will cancel. X will equal 24 divided by 6 is 4. And so for number 2, I would just type in the number 4. Let's take a look at number 3. I've got negative 2, and then I've got 2x minus 3, and it's equal to negative 2. First thing I would do is multiply negative 2 times 2, which gives me negative 4. The x comes with it. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. And because it's a positive 6, I put a plus sign between the negative 4x and the 6. Negative 2 just drops down. I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides so I can get rid of the plus 6. Negative 4x is going to drop down. The 6's will cancel. The equal sign drops down. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. And then I'm going to divide by negative 4 on both sides of the equal sign. The negative 4's are going to cancel. X will drop down. And then a negative divided by a negative is positive. 8 divided by 4 is 2. If you're not confident about that, please use Desmos Scientific Calculator. Your remaining assignment is to finish the following 3 problems. And they are completed in the same manner in which we just completed the first 3.